We've got tuna, chicken, and steak. So which has the least fat per 100 grams? 14.5 grams, 1.6 grams, or 0.5 grams? Tuna has 0.5 grams and is the winner. Chicken has 1.6 grams. Steak is 14.5 grams, the fattiest. So next up, calories per 100 grams, which has the least? 109, 137, and 234. Calorie competition, 109 for the tuna, 137 for the chicken, 230 for the steak. So now for the protein. Which of the three has the highest per 100 grams? 24, 24, or 30 grams? Okay, so chicken is the winner with 30 grams of protein, yellowfin tuna has 24 grams, and steak also has 24 grams.